Good morning. We are here with Parker again for another episode of Cooking with Parker. This is your second episode, and Parker wanted to do some more pancakes. So what are you doing special with pancakes today?
Pop rocks.
Pop rocks. So never done it before? Never?
Yep.
You never know. This could go viral. Are you ready for this to go viral?
Yes.
Yeah? Let's see how. So we just have our pancake batter. You can use your favorite pancake batter.
You could either put it in the batter or you could put it on the pancake.
Yep. So Parker, how did you want to do it?
Put it in the batter.
He wants it in the batter. So
then it stays in there. Then it doesn't fall off.
okay.
So
It doesn't. It gets combined right in there. So we're just doing. What is this? Blue. Does it have a name? Tropical Punch. Tropical Punch Pop Rocks. So we're just doing a little package there. Pour it in whenever you're ready. Oh.
what, you don't think it looks good?
Oh, it looks beautiful. It's light blue in color. Do you think one's going to be good enough?
Probably. And then we want to add a little.
So I'm just going to combine it.
One extra just for good measure.
Combine it here.
What flavor is this?
Oh, come here, come here, come here.
It's popping already.
Listen, do you hear it? Do you hear it? So you're gonna add a red kind, hey? We're gonna mix up the colors. So we've got blue and kind of red pinkish color. Cherry. Okay, so
Ready?
I can hear it. Can you hear it?
It sounds like it thinks it's in somebody's
Can you hear
mouth.
it? We're just mixing it up a little bit.
It thinks it's in
Do you
somebody's
think
mouth.
when we get done cooking it, do you think we're going to be able to, when we're eating it, are we going to be able to taste the pop rocks, do you think? Are they going to pop in our mouth?
Maybe.
You think?
So that's why we need to do it quick.
Okay.
Sherry.
Do you want to spray? Do you remember how I taught you how to spray? There, you're doing all on the, there you go. Good job. There you go. Perfect. So you want to do this? We want to do 4 of them. Do you think you can flip 4?
Probably 5 maybe.
You're getting pretty good at flipping, huh? You were practicing a little bit, so you did a good job. It's okay. They don't have to be too big. Here, let me.
They don't taste very good.
They don't taste very good. Well,
They're
usually
kind of flavored though.
Usually pancake batter itself doesn't taste very good, but when they're made into
It
pancakes,
tastes a little bit better.
then when they taste a lot better. So Mama's back. Is she trying your cinnamon roll pancakes?
I am.
Yep. Did you get the heart one?
Do you want to rate? He did make a heart one, but
Was that my heart?
I think so. Maybe. That's pretty good.
you know,
This one could have used a little bit more frosting.
I know he
I'm
was
not
being
complaining.
a little bit stingy, but he was making designs on them, which
Oh, I'm sure most of it went on his pancake.
No, because most of it didn't.
Okay, so now we gotta be patient. How do we tell if a pancake's done?
The bubbles.
The bubbles. So you'll see, is there like really? There's maybe a little bit of bubbles here, but there's not really. Do you see them? See, there's bubbles. The bubbles are coming up. Nope. Be patient. Remember, don't flip. I don't like a flipper.
Look,
So.
that one has some bubbles.
And so the griddle does have hot spots, so depending on whether you're cooking on the griddle outside, because in when summer comes and it's nope, not because I think you'll have this one maybe is kind of looking, but it's not looking done on this side. So
You see those? How kind of.
do you see the blue? You see the blue color, the red or the pink color from the pop rocks are in there? Do you think we're going to be able to taste that?
That one's probably ready.
Yeah, I think you're probably right. So, remember how I told you? There you go. Remember, up high.
down low till your chippy.
Yay! High five! Look at that. Look how golden brown that is. That's perfect. How about, do you think that one's ready?
I'm gonna get
Whoa! Another perfect one. You're a pro. You're going to be a pro.
ready?
If you want, this one is kind of looking maybe not quite, but it's done like on that side, so it's your best guess whether you want to give it a try. Woo! Good job. You've got this flipping thing down. Did you ever think you'd be able to flip pancakes?
Probably not.
Oh, you don't want to get it in the hole. Now you got it on your spatula. Ha ha ha. Then you got it on this side. So what happens when, just wait. So we've got the pancake batter on the spatula. So either we should get a new spatula, which we do, or we need to wipe this off because we've got it on there. So we're going to have to flip that one over. Yeah, new spatula. So we're going to have to flip that one over and cook that raw batter because nobody wants to eat raw batter. And what did you do different there? You held it up a little bit and then flipped it, right? You were struggling because you put it on the spatula and you were trying to flip it and it wasn't working. But when you held it up a little bit and then flipped it over, then it flipped perfect, right?
Do you think you're ready?
Yep, I think so. But how about we do we want to flip that one over to try to cook that little bit of batter that's right there. We just need to, there we go.
Oh, the thick color that is.
And that's going to happen with pancakes. Like it's not going to look as beautiful. That's why that's a trick. You always want to do the front side, the first side. Don't flip it, because the last time we flipped it over, don't flip these ones over. Like if you're going to do just one, you want to do one pancake at a time? You want to put this one? So, yeah. How about we leave it, we'll leave it like that. Huh? Why? Do you want it flipped over?
No.
No? You just like flipping it over?
2 on each plate.
Oh, you're burning my finger. I mean, we could just take and stack the pancakes on there and people can come and try it. So do we want people to come and try it and rate it? Do you want, how many? This one I thought was yours. Are you going to eat more than one pancake?
Well, I'm just putting on our plate.
Okay. So we want to do the rest of these, or do we want to try? How about we try? Should we try? So we're just going to do one plate for you. And so
let's see if they pop in my mouth.
pick one. And I'm going to do,
There's still a little blue on it. See that little?
I'm going to do one. Here's your fork. Are we going to put syrup on it, or are you going to put frosting? I'm going to put syrup on mine. Where are you going? You got to come over here. You're not going to have any syrup, or when you eat your pancake, do you normally have anything, syrup or anything on it? Do you want some of the frosting, the cream cheese frosting on it? Or are you tasting anything? Are you tasting the Pop Rocks?
Can you see it?
Can you hear? Can you hear it? Is it popping in your mouth?
No.
No, not really. But can you taste it?
Yep, I can taste it.
You can taste the Pop Rocks? Well, that's the whole...
We left it on there too long. I told you we should have done it. Do you taste it?
I think we should have added a little bit more Pop Rocks in it, but it's got good flavor. I think it's pretty darn good. The Pop Rocks aren't popping, but that's probably because of the batter. And it might have been a little bit different if we would have did, the pancake on there and then sprinkled some, but I think it still would have popped before we got it into a pancake. What do you think? I don't think it's a 5 out of 5 though, because you wanted the Pop Rocks to pop in your mouth when you ate it, but
What do you rate it?
I would give it probably a 3.5 because it has.
You say you wanted 5 out of everybody, so that might work.
Well, when you're cooking,
I
you're.
have 5 out of everybody. 5 6, 7. I got
The cinnamon roll pancakes, I give them a 5 out of 5. Those pancakes were delicious. The Pop Rocks ones,
I want to see my prize. I want to see my prize.
these are cooked beautifully. So, you know, I give you a 5 out of 5 for cooking and for flipping, because they're beautifully cooked and they are perfect pancakes. But for yeah, there is. I do see there is some blue. We got some blue there. We got some blue there. So there is some color and some flavor from it. So,
maybe
but
flip them a little bit faster.
mm,
Or add a little more pop.
but I say that
You only added 2.
I say your fans should give this a try. Right? You think so? And maybe they can get their Pop Rocks to pop. Maybe if they had some bigger Pop Rocks, and I think those ones that we had were just small ones, and maybe if they had big Pop Rocks, it might work better. The Pop Rocks, when we put it into the batter and cooked it, you couldn't really, the Pop Rocks wasn't popping in your mouth when he ate the actual pancake. So Parker decided, we thought, like, how about we got the Pop Rocks, the pancake made with the Pop Rocks in it, so it's got the flavor, but it doesn't pop in your mouth. So how about if we use the Pop Rocks as a garnish for the top of the pancakes? Isn't that a genius idea?
I came up with the idea and she didn't. I did.
So
She didn't help us at all with it.
So Parker doesn't want any syrup. I would say to add syrup or
That's gonna ruin
frosting.
the Pop Rocks though. It'll make it stop popping.
It's not popping, right? Because you got to get it
Pop
in your
it a
mouth. You
little.
have to.
See it?
A little, not too much.
I'm gonna eat it.
So Parker's gonna try it this way. We need to spread it out and get some popping. Ooh, I hear it popping in your mouth now. Ooh, there you go, success. So it's a Pop Rocks pancake garnished with Pop Rocks, and it's popping in your mouth, huh? Which is exactly what Parker wanted to happen. So sometimes it didn't work out the first time, but you use your noggin and you start thinking, and we made it work, didn't we?
Yes, we did.
Alrighty, so I would say, how are you rating your Pop Rocks pancakes? Out of 5.
A million out of 5.
5 out of 5, huh? Or more, million. You say million out of 5. So I think it was a success. At first it was rocky, but we made it work, and Parker's a genius, and we made the best Pop Rocks pancakes, and we think you need to try these Pop Rock pancakes at home, huh? Yep. So give it a try.
Try a little bit bigger Pop Rocks.
Maybe. Yeah.
If you're gonna try putting it in the batter.
Yeah, that's an idea. Parker had that idea, was because we had just the small Pop Rocks that it's like kind of a dusty stuff. But if you get the Pop Rocks that are bigger, maybe use those in the batter, and maybe that would help a little bit better. So yeah, these were the small Halloween candy treats, Pop Rocks.
I got those for
So
Halloween.
you can get the bigger ones, I think, at the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree has the bigger Pop Rocks. They're more like an envelope, in like a little envelope size, right? So give it a try.
Yep.
So this was making pancakes with
With
Parker,
Parker.
and
His
we
brothers.
will see you again soon.
Bye.
Bye.